It's never too late to change your financial life. This audiobook was created especially for those over 50 who want to discover how to achieve financial freedom, start a business, invest, and live a prosperous life. Get ready for a transformative journey that will show you that age is never a barrier to success. Asterisk, you're not old, you're ready. If you think your chance to become wealthy has passed, I'm here to tell you that's a lie. You're not too old to achieve your dreams, and you're not late to start your journey toward financial freedom. In fact, you're in the best moment of your life. Yes, that's right. At 50, 60, 70 years old, you carry something no one can take from you, your experience. And that's exactly what many younger people still don't have. Some of the biggest names started their fortunes after 50. Ray Kroc was 52 when he founded McDonald's. Harlan Sanders, the famous colonel of KFC, was 65 when his chicken empire began to grow. And they're not exceptions, they are living proof that it's never too late. This audiobook is for you, the one who wants to change your financial life, build wealth, start a business, invest, and prove that age doesn't define your limits. Your willingness to start over does. Welcome to your new beginning. Asterisk, break the mental barriers. Everything starts in your mind. If you grew up hearing that money doesn't bring happiness, that money is hard to get, or that if you're born poor, you'll die poor, it's time to destroy those beliefs. They are like invisible chains keeping you stuck in the same place. At 50, you've already overcome so much. Family challenges, loss, hardship, illness, and life changes. So why not overcome financial limits too? Don't let society put you in a box labeled too old. That's simply not true. Pillars of mental change. Money is a tool, not a villain. You have the right to abundance. Your brain learns until your very last day. If someone else made it, so can you. From now on, erase phrases like "it's too late" from your mind and replace them with "I'm just getting started." That's your new mantra. Asterisk, the power of experience. When it comes to building wealth, many believe the secret lies in youth, energy, or even luck. But few realize that the real advantage is life experience, and that only comes with time. You've lived through economic crises, currency changes, unemployment, instability, and yet you're still standing. That is power, that is resilience, and that's your greatest weapon. Why your experience is worth gold. You've already learned what doesn't work. Gives that saves time and money. You know people. Gives your network is wider and more trustworthy. You have greater focus. Gives you know what you want and what you don't. You have natural authority. Gives maturity, inspires trust in business. While many young people are still figuring things out, you already have clarity. And that's a huge advantage when starting a business, making an investment, or leading a project. Don't underestimate your story. What you've lived through can be turned into mentoring, consulting, courses, products, and services that solve real problems. And solving problems is the foundation of all wealth. You already have everything you need to succeed. Now it's time to put it into action. Asterisk, income streams after 50. If you want to build wealth after 50, you must understand that relying on a single source of income is a risk. The secret to prosperity is diversification. It has never been easier to start a business, invest, and generate money by using your experience, your knowledge, and the countless opportunities the modern world offers. 1. Entrepreneurship in your 50s and beyond. Physical businesses, small shops, food services, consulting, services for other seniors. Online businesses, selling online, offering courses, coaching, writing ebooks. Low investment ideas, service provision, digital marketing, dropshipping, consultancy. Your knowledge can be turned into money. If you're good at something, someone out there is willing to pay for it. 2. Online income. A real opportunity. Start a YouTube channel, just like you're doing now. Sell courses, digital products, or offer online consulting. Work with affiliate marketing. Promote digital products and earn commissions. Create content on social media and monetize it. The internet has no age. If you speak, teach, or share, you earn. 3. Smart investments start even with small amounts. Fixed income, REITs, dividends. Protect your money. Avoid miracle promises and study solid investments. Understand compound interest. Money working for you, even while you sleep. Idle money loses value. Invested money creates freedom. 4. Find your monetizable passion. Ask yourself, what do you love doing? What do you know how to do well? What do people often ask your help with? The intersection of those 3 answers is your treasure map. Asterisk, financial education. It's never too late. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that managing money is only for the young or for those who earn a lot. That's a dangerous lie. Financial education is actually what separates those who live paycheck to paycheck from those who build wealth, freedom, and security. The good news? It's never too late to start. And the sooner you understand this, the faster you'll transform your financial life. 1. Learn to control your money. Write everything down. Know exactly how much you earn and how much you spend. Cut waste. Review subscriptions, bills, and unnecessary expenses. Make a plan. Set clear goals. How much to save, invest, and earn. Money without control slips through your fingers like water. 2. Build an emergency fund. Save enough to cover at least 6 months of your living expenses. This gives you the confidence to invest, start a business, or take calculated risks. 3. Invest your money. Fixed income, bonds, CDs, savings-backed securities, safe and profitable. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, earn rent without owning. Physical property, stocks, become a shareholder of large companies and earn dividends. Those who don't understand investing spend their whole life working for those who do. 4. Protect your money. Avoid easy money promises, pyramids, and scams. Learn, study. There are free videos, courses, and books that teach you everything. Financial knowledge is like a map. Without it, you're lost. 5. The power of compound interest. Well-invested money grows by itself. The longer it stays invested, the more it multiplies. The secret to wealth isn't working harder. It's making your money work for you. Asterisk, networking and partnerships. Your greatest asset is people. There's a saying that goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And that has never been more true than when it comes to building wealth. After 50, your network can open doors that money can't buy. At this stage in life, you already know people. You have credibility, experience, and authority. And that's worth gold. 1. Who you know is more valuable than you think. Do you know someone who needs a service? Do you know someone who can recommend you? Do you know someone who could become your partner, associate, or client? Your circle of friends, colleagues, former clients, neighbors, even family could be the key to starting or boosting any business. 2. How to build smart partnerships. Connect with people who complement your skills. If you know how to produce, find someone who knows how to sell. If you're good with customer service, team up with someone who knows marketing. Look for win-win partnerships. True partnership isn't exploitation, it's collaboration. 3. Join groups and events. Attend networking events, business fairs, in-person and online gatherings. Use platforms like LinkedIn, WhatsApp groups, Facebook, and Instagram. Connecting with people who share your mindset makes all the difference. Sometimes the right conversation in the right place is worth more than years of working alone. 4. Share your knowledge, offer talks, join live events, give interviews. This increases your visibility and attracts clients and collaborators. Those who show up are remembered. Those who disappear are forgotten. Asterisk, caring for mind and body. Health is also wealth. There's no point in having money if you don't have the physical and mental health to enjoy it. True wealth is a combination of a prosperous mind, a healthy body, and a strong spirit. And believe it, your energy is your greatest asset. No matter your age, when you take care of your body and nourish your mind, you become unstoppable. 1. Strong body, rich mind. Exercise regularly. Walking, gym, dancing, swimming, anything that brings you joy. Eat healthy, more natural foods, fewer processed ones. Drink water, sleep well, and maintain good posture. Your body is the house you'll live in for the rest of your life. Take good care of it. 2. Healthy mind, millionaire mind. Manage stress with meditation, breathing techniques, and mindful pauses. Stay away from negative people, toxic news, and draining environments. Read books, listen to audiobooks or podcasts. Fill your mind with content that lifts you up. Emotionally wealthy people are happier, more productive, and build more wealth. 3. Discipline and routine. Create freedom, create a routine. Set times to wake up, work, exercise, and rest. Discipline brings mental clarity, energy, and consistency, the 3 pillars of success. If you don't control your time, you'll always work for someone who does. 4. Age is an advantage, not a limit. Studies show that people over 50 who care for their body and mind often have more energy than many unmotivated young people. You don't need an athlete's body. You need vitality, determination, and focus to live your best phase. If you don't take care of your body, where are you going to live? Your time starts now. If you've listened this far, there's one thing I want you to understand clearly. There is no age limit for starting over. There are no limits for those willing to learn, grow, and reinvent themselves. Money, freedom, fulfillment, all of it is available to you, regardless of your age. The world has changed. Today, the internet, connections, and opportunities are in your hands. And you know what you have that no one can ever take from you. Your story, your journey, your experience, your strength. That's pure gold. Getting rich after 50 isn't just possible. It's real for those who stop accepting the excuses the world offers. While many settle, you can choose to take action. While some complain, you can choose to rise. Your financial life doesn't depend on luck, the government, the economy, or anyone's opinion. It depends on one decision. The decision to never again be a prisoner of fear, limiting beliefs, or outdated ideas they taught you. If you've made it this far, say it with me. My time starts now. My age is my strength. I am capable, and I will achieve my financial freedom. Now stand up, take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and go live your best chapter. Because wealth has no age, and it's waiting for you.